The name Malloy Aeronautics was also raised during the sale, namely the Malloy T150 copter drone was used as a vehicle for transporting logistics and munitions to the front lines of the war in Ukraine. And still a drone copter, Malloy Aeronautics and Base Systems introduced the Malloy T650 drone concept that can carry 3 Brimstone missiles. Quoted from a trusted source, the 21st of September 2022, Malloy Aeronautics and Base Systems took part in the Defense Vehicle Dynamic Exhibition, and were shown for the first time the T650 drone with Brimstone missiles. Malloy T650 is a drone copter with 8 electrics and 8 propellers, introduced the engine about a year ago. This drone has a sizable military payload capacity and has attracted interest. From the specifications, the Malloy T650 is a cargo drone that can lift a payload of up to 300 kg. For information, the total weight of the 3 Brimstone missiles is about 150 kg. With battery power, the T650 drone can reach speeds of 140 km per hour and has a range of 30 km. It is possible that this parameter can be changed for modification of dropping missiles. Brimstone is operated on fighter jets, helicopters, drones, ground troops and surface ships. The MBDA UK missile is capable of striking both line-of-sight and non-line-of-sight targets, with a choice of action modes using digital targeting data provided via a secure military network that is fully operational to NATO standards. From the specifications, the Brimstone missile weighs 50 kg, is 1.8 meters long and has a diameter of 180 mm. The missile is powered by a solid-fuel rocket capable of launching the missile at a speed of Mach 1.3. The Brimstone guidance system utilizes 94 GHz millimetric wave active radar homing and INS autopilot, dual mode, 2, and added laser guidance. Brimstone was originally designed by GEC Marken in 1986. However, production only started in 1999 by MBDA UK in Henlow. Initially this missile was designed to destroy armored targets from aerial vehicles such as fighter aircraft. MBDA UK then developed an anti-ship variant called Brimstone Sea Spear, which is an air-launched and surface-launched anti-ship missile designed to attack fast-moving and swarming vessels.